Welcome to the Manufacturing Startup Special of TiElogues, and today we are in conversation with Abhishek Latte of Sensegiz. Welcome, Abhishek, and congratulations for winning the Spirit of Manufacturing Award recently held by Delhi NCR. Tell us more about the product that got you this award and the journey behind it.
Thanks a lot, Bushra, for having me on the show. It's a privilege and an honor to win the Spirit of Manufacturing Award for all of us here at Sensegiz. Our solutions consist of two parts. So typically, we've worked with a lot of companies to help them use our predictive maintenance solutions to predict when a machine might go down and prevent that loss from happening. And the other is around indoor asset tracking, when we track assets of people within the plant, warehouse, or service station, and help customers to improve their efficiency and productivity with the analytics and root cause analysis that we provide around it. So during the pandemic, we also built a special solution for contact tracing and enforcement of social distancing, which was used by a lot of manufacturing companies to help them keep their factories running, and also by sports tournaments to help them function safely during the peak of the pandemic. And it's been a wonderful journey for us, starting with consumer IoT products back in the day, and then moving to industrial IoT products, which we did a couple of years back. And we are now on track to work with some of the very well-known names, both in the Indian sector as well as the global sector going forward.
Okay, Abhishek, tell us, how do you see the IoT industry evolving in India? Do you see an increase in affordability and therefore more adaptability?
Yes. So yeah, that's a great question. Thanks for that. So the IoT industry in India has definitely matured compared to where it was 3 years back, because we used to have a tough time back then convincing potential customers about the benefits and the return on investment that they would get from investing in an IoT solution. So, but that has kind of changed now post the pandemic, where a lot of companies, be it the large ones or the SME ones, are highly interested and much well aware of what IoT solutions can do for them. What would be the problem statements in their organizations where an IoT solution can give them the results that they expect. So we see a lot of customers themselves approaching us today, whereas earlier it was the other way around.
Okay, so you are a technology innovator, Abhishek. Tell us, are we going to see more product launches, innovative product launches from the house of Sensegiz?
Thanks a lot. Yes, we definitely keep on innovating. So we have more than 25 people working in the R&D division in our company, both on the hardware and software front. So yeah, we will definitely see additional product launches from us in the coming few months, both with innovations happening on the hardware level in terms of form factors and size, among other things, and newer features and sensors being added, as well as on the software front, because we have invested a lot in data science. We are now able to do more with the data that we collect, to glean that data and convert it into business insights which the customers can use.
Okay, you have been associated with Delhi NCR for some time now. Tell us how it has played a role in your entrepreneurial journey.
Yeah, thanks a lot. So Delhi NCR has been a very key point in our overall entrepreneurial journey. So they help us with a lot of resources throughout the year. So we've been part of several of their events, both in person and virtual events. They conduct a lot of webinars which help us refine our product roadmap, our marketing strategy, among other things. And at the same time, there's a lot of advice available for us at the early stages. So all of that has helped us to refine ourselves as a company on all fronts. A lot of business connects have happened at TiE events as well. So we are very much thankful for that, and it's a big boon to the entire entrepreneurial ecosystem in India.
Thank you, Abhishek. Thanks a lot. It was a pleasure speaking with you. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Bushra. Thanks for having us. Thank you.